Dog Puppet Comedy.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to do my spring look. So here what I'm doing is just using some eyeliner to draw on my waterline and also do a minor wing. So here now what I'm doing is just using a natural color of eyeshadow and just blending that into my eyelid. Now I'm putting on my favorite color of lipstick. It's a hot pink, and it goes great with any look, and I recommend it for anybody. It was only like 20 bucks. So what I'm doing here is I'm outlining my lips first and then filling it in, and I really recommend this color, you guys. It's great. Oh, sorry, a stupid car drove past. So now what I'm doing is some natural filling of the brow. This is really important, you guys. It'll make a really big difference with your overall look. I just think I look really, really good right now, you guys. So now what I'm doing is just some subtle contouring. It'll really make all the difference. It may not seem like much, but it's gonna look really good. Now I am applying a light layer of blush, and this will really just pull the look together. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be putting on some mascara, and this is amazing, you guys. It's by our sponsor Ulta, and it was only 35 bucks, you guys, and I personally use it all the time. Now this is the finished spring look. Now go and enjoy your day feeling fabulous.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.